Hello buddies, welcome back to our channel Super Siblings. Guys, I hope you enjoyed your Sankranti festival with your family members. And how you enjoyed your festival? Comment us in the comment below. And we enjoyed a lot with our family members. We had too much of fun. So guys, today I came to tell about what is Republic Day and why do we celebrate Republic Day. If you want to know that, let's jump into the video. Republic Day has been celebrated every year in India on January 26. Since 1950 to honor the date on which the Constitution of India came into effect. India was a colony of the British for over 200 years and became independent from the rule of the British Raj following the India Independence Movement. Independence Day marks the end of British rule in 1947 and the establishment of a free and independent Indian nation. It also marks the anniversary of the partition of the subcontinent into two countries, India and Pakistan, which occurred at midnight and August 14 to 15 in 1947.
Guys, today I am going to say you some facts about our Indian flag. So please guys, don't skip the video. I worked so hard to gather this information. For more interesting videos, please subscribe to our channel. So let's go. A flag is what sets a country apart from the others. It's also a symbol of pride for its citizens. Here are some lesser known facts about the Indian tricolor. History of the Indian flag. The first Indian flag was made in 1906 by an Irish disciple of Swami Vivekananda. In 1916, Pingali Venkaiah, a writer and freedom fighter, designed a red and green flag that had a chakra. However, Mahatma Gandhi suggested that saffron, white and green be used. When India got her independence, a committee headed by Dr. Rajendra Prasad was told to select a flag design. The committee chose the flag that Gandhiji suggested but replaced the chakra with the Ashoka chakra. What do the colors represent? Saffron stands for courage and sacrifice. White represents truth and peace. Green is representative of the fertility, development and auspiciousness of Indian land. What does the Ashoka Chakra signify? The Ashoka Chakra indicates that our country is open to change and continues to develop with time. The Flag Code of India is a set of laws that govern the display of our flag. While hosting the Indian flag, the following things should be kept in mind. The flag should be made of khadi. During the hosting, everybody should face the flag and stand at attention. No other object can be placed higher than the flag. The flag should not touch the ground. The flag should be lowered after sunset. Other interesting facts about the Indian flag. The Indian flag was hosted on the highest mountain peak in the world, Mount Everest, on 29th May 1953. Madam Kama was the first Indian to host our flag on frozen soil. On 14th November 2008, India became the fourth country to land its flag on the Earth's moon. I am proud to be an Indian.
I hope you guys learned something new from this video about Republic Day. If you guys like this video, hit like for our video and do like, share, comment and smash the subscribe button. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get the notifications. Bye bye. See you in the next video.